Hey everybody, it's Eric from EPAutos.com, your libertarian car guy. Just want to harp about something. I'm going to use this 25 Ford Expedition as a case in point, but it's not just this Expedition. Okay, I'm trying to drive right now, do this video, and change the stereo at the same time, which is no easy trick. You have to use this tap swipe input or direct tune. I just accidentally typed and swiped something else. Let me try and get it back to where it was. You know, instead of having a knob, see, okay, there's the knob for turning the volume. Very intuitive, very self-explanatory, you know, a knob. Everybody understands how to use that. And changing the channel, the same thing. You know, why do they try to improve on things that work so well? It's not necessary sometimes to change things just for the sake of changing. So now if I want to change this, like I'm trying to drive and I have to accurately touch, and I didn't accurately touch it, this pad while I'm trying to drive, it's hopeless. I'm going to give up trying to do it while I'm videoing at the same time. I'll tell you, in my Trans Am, which is 50 years old, I have no problem turning the station while I'm driving because I can just reach over and I can turn the knob. It's not something that I have to look at while I'm doing in order to do it effectively. It's just so aggravating and so frustrating and so needless. It's taking away from the utility of driving. And, you know, interestingly enough, too, I make an argument that it's taking away from safety. You know, you hear them talk about safety all the time, as if safety were the only thing that mattered. Well, if it really did matter, they would make controls that didn't distract you from driving, that, you know, weren't harder to use than simple, effective controls like a knob. Just my short rant for now. More over at EPAutos.com, the web's best libertarian gearhead site. Thanks as always for viewing, and we'll have more for you again soon.